Hi there, you're watching the basics of Airsoft. In this video, I'm going to guide you through everything you need to get started in the sport of Airsoft. Airsoft is a combat sport similar to paintball where opponents eliminate each other with plastic pellets, also known as BBs, launched from electric or gas-powered guns. The main things you need to play Airsoft are goggles, guns, and ammunition. With these materials you're all ready to play. Anything else from your camouflage to your helmet is extra. There are many different kinds of airsoft guns, from gas operated to spring loaded, but the most popular are the battery operated electric airsoft guns. The spring loaded airsoft guns are bolt action. Because of this, spring-loaded airsoft guns are often sniper rifles. Gas-operated guns are the fanciest. They come in semi and fully automatic versions and often sport a blowback feature. Electric airsoft guns, also known as AEGs, are the most popular kind of gun and come in semi and fully automatic firing modes. When playing Airsoft, don't show up in plain clothes like jeans and a hoodie. When playing, you'll stand out like a sore thumb. So the best idea is to get camouflage. But after getting your guns and ammo, if you can't afford it, any old dark clothing, khakis, dark green will do, as long as it suits the environment you're playing in. Your most important piece of clothing is going to be eye protection. A BB in the eye will blind you, so a pair of good quality goggles are a must. Elbow pads and knee pads are also quite important, as they'll prevent you from ripping up your elbows and knees when in a skirmish. Oh, motherfucker! It's a personal preference, but a vest can come in handy when you're in a skirmish, as it can carry little bits and bobs like your magazines and any other equipment you might find useful. With a lot of this equipment, it's all about personal preference. You may find you're not very comfortable with the helmet, or you may want to take off the elbow pads. By all means do. You gotta do with what you're comfortable with in the skirmish. You may also find that I've left out a few things here and there, like medical kits, mobile phones, lunch, water, those kind of things that you may find useful when going on a skirmish. Do bring them, because you never know what you may come up against. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has been very educational, and we hope to see you soon in the world of Airsoft.